Bada bing, bada boom. Post up. You can get high if you take this order. You can get high mileage. Motherfuckers say, can I get high off cheap drugs? You can get high off this order. You can get high mileage on your vehicle. Better get that high mileage oil. Damn, we got 250 likes on the stream. Let's go. I might have to like it my damn self. Kaylee, did you want me to read that email on the live stream, or did you want me to make a video out of it? What time you wrap up for the night? When the last super chat come in and they say, take your black ass home. I know I'm in the country, but damn, yeah, these orders be crazy. He pissed because he didn't pick up the Taco Bell. Nah, I'm good on that smell. Taco Bell for that taco smell. Send your stomach straight to taco purgatory. Taco Bell, Taco Bell. Yo quiero Taco Bell. Yo quiero high paying order. Kaylee sent me a screenshot. Oh, we got a good order, y'all. Check this out. No tip, no trip. Jesus Christ. 2 orders? Damn. DoorDash is diabolical. Let me take a screenshot. Whoa. Whoa. That's crazy. That's crazy. They got me messed up. Bada bing, bada boom. Taco Bell is great with an expert taco builder doing the cooking. What about the ingredients that's trash, though? What that do for the trash ingredients? Taco Bell always screw up the order. I never seen no double for only $2, right? How you got a double order? That means you get $1 base pay from the first customer and a $1 base pay for the second customer, and you get to drive a whole 5 miles. Wow. So not only do you get to pull up, wait for 1 order, you get to pull up, wait for 2 orders. The first one probably done, and the second one you gotta wait the full 15 minutes for, right? Okay, boom, you got that out the way. Now you get to drive to customer number 1 and customer number 2, all for the fucking pleasure of making $2. And y'all say DoorDash ain't a criminal enterprise. Shout out to Rich for the $1. You get your wrench back, bro. Let's go ahead and moderate you up. That's crazy. That's straight up crazy. 2 for 1. That's a no Vaseline order. I thought it was 2. Nah, yeah. I thought it was 2 base for 1 order. Nope, it's 2 pickups. Look, let me show you again. Look, 2 orders. All orders picked up at the same store. Both orders do not have the same drop-off. They picked up at the same store. They got 2 separate drop-offs. This is crazy. Shout out to Kaylee for supplying this screenshot. This is crazy. I can make a whole video about this. I can make a whole video about this one screenshot, y'all. Wow. Good job, DoorDash. Good job. Let's see. I got overseas order one time. Wow. $1 now base pay. Yeah, we said this a couple years ago. Incoming $1 base pay. Matter of fact, I can name the